Sensitive drilling machine. This is the 3D model of sensitive drilling machine. Various parts of sensitive drilling machine are drill feed handle, table, column, table clamp. It is light in weight and the feed is given by hand. Spindle, radial drilling machine. A small introduction of radial drilling machine is shown here. Arm moves above the column. Arm moves up and down. Head moves in and out. It is used to drill large size of workpieces. Upright drilling machine. A small introduction of upright drilling machine is shown here. Various parts of drilling machine are handle for feed, spindle, drill, the upright sensitive drill is a light-duty type of drilling machine that normally incorporates a belt drive spindle head. Gang drilling machine. The small introduction of gang drilling machine is shown. There are sequence of drilling machines are placed on the single table. Drilling machine 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now take a close-up shot of operations. Drilling operation, boring operation, reaming operation, tapping operation, workpiece, hand wheel, spindle, speed and feed of the spindles are controlled independently.